Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of the city of Kingston. We are driving on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. So this section of where we are on Washington Boulevard, on the left is Washington Gardens and on the right is the Doheny Park area. So at this stoplight, if we turn left, we go into Corville Gardens. If we turn right, we go into Doheny Park. And on the right, coming up, is the new Doheny Park Plaza. It was recently renovated. It's a very successful plaza. It's very popular. It's the largest plaza in the Doheny Park area. It has the Shoppers Fair supermarket. It has a lot of food stores. And it's built in a populated area. So that's the formula you need for a successful plaza. So on the left now is the Corville Gardens community. You're going to see a lot of apartment buildings on the left. So the government announced recently that they're going to be redesigning and re-engineering Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road, because those are the two main roads that take you into the city of Kingston. So if you look on the right now, the government wants to, redesign it so that when you drive in, you don't see this kind of picture. And the same thing with Spanish Town Road. A lot of business places are actually on the roadside that are not supposed to be there, and they want to straighten that out. But we'll keep you guys updated as we get more information on it. And I think this was one of the specific areas on the right that they had commented on. So we're now going on to, we had turned left at that intersection. We're going to Spanish Town Road. Straight ahead is the Spanish Town Road overpass. So we're now going on to Mandela Highway. And this Mandela Highway now is the main road that you take to go into and out of the city of Kingston when you're going on this side of the island. If you're going to Portmore, Spanish Town, this is the road you would take from Kingston. And also this road you access both highways, the PJ Patterson Highway that takes you on the south coast and the Edward Siaga Highway that takes you on the north coast. As you can see, this road was recently renovated. They spent like 64 million US to renovate this road under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and they did an excellent job. This is one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. It actually has street lights. If you notice, not all the roads have street lights like this. And this is the busiest road in Jamaica. Now on the right is the Kingston 876 Industrial Park, but persons often refer to it as the Ferry Industrial Park. It's a huge property, 94 acres, and they have a lot of warehouses over there, call centers, retail stores. But it's mostly a warehouse facility. Or that bridge now, if you want to get on the other side of Mandela Highway, you'd have to use that bridge or go all the way down to the Portmore stoplight, because you can see there's a concrete barricade separating both sides of the road. Okay, coming up on the left now is the Fesco gas station, and this is the busiest gas station in Jamaica. It's also the largest gas station in Jamaica. But it's only natural, we are driving on the busiest road in Jamaica, so naturally the gas station on this road would be the busiest in Jamaica. So that's the ferry area on the right now. And if you look on the left, and even as we pass the police station, the last building on the right is a police station, there is so much empty land that you would think more development would go on in this area, just for the fact that this is such a busy road. And the gas station was recently opened and it's doing extremely well. So that should encourage persons to do more investments along this stretch of the road. But if you look on the left and the right, there's nothing more, no structure just land. And I think sugarcane is on the land to the right and to the left, but I think the days of sugarcane are long gone. Alright, something is going on here because this road doesn't usually have this kind of traffic on it at this time of day. Definitely unusual for this kind of traffic at this time. Alright, so we're now going to enter the PJ Patterson Highway, and the lane we're in, this left lane, takes us onto the PJ Patterson Highway. If we continued straight, there's an entrance on the right to the Edward Seaga Highway that will take you to the north coast. Okay, it seems to be an accident here. A car turned over, that's why and you can see the traffic free up right here. That's why there's so much traffic backed up there. But the police are on the scene and the wrecker is on the scene, so it should be cleared soon. Alright, so we're now entering the PJ Patterson Highway, and this is also known as Highway 2000. This highway will run from Kingston to Montego Bay one day. However, it runs from Kingston to Maypen now. They're building it out in stages. They're also working on the Maypen to Mandela leg, and that should open early next year. And then they continue building it out in phases until they reach Montego Bay. This highway is actually to connect both international airports in Jamaica via highway. That was the reason why they started building out this project. So it would connect Kingston to Montego Bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.